Developmental milestone. Developmental progression is in a cephalocaudal directions. So development happen head to toe, that is cephalocaudal directions, that is head control precedes trunk control, which precedes lower limb. Firstly, head control comes at the age of 3 to 4 months of age. After that, trunk control will occur at the age of 5 to 8 months of age. After that, lower limb precedes, that is 10 to 18 months of age. Development is the process by which children attain multiple skills necessary for optimal functioning. Development occurs simultaneously in various domains like gross motor skills, social skills, communication skills, cognitive or intellectual skills. Gross motor skills relate to the movement and posture. So gross motor domain is, gross motor skills are the movement and the posture, like sitting, standing, walking, etc. Fine motor skills involve precise work and hand-eye coordinations, that all comes under the fine motor skills, using small muscles of the hands and the eye movement. Next is social skills, include interaction with others, interpersonal relationships, feelings and understanding, empathy and control of emotions, that comes under the social skills. Next is communication skills, include to and fro interactions with others, verbally or non-verbally, that is gestures. Cognitive or intellectual skills relate to learning and understanding, that is concept of numbers, colors, letters and problem solving. So these all are the domains of development. These are 5 domains: gross motor, fine motor, cognitive, personal, social, communications. So these all are the domains. Now, factor affecting development. What are the factors that affect the development? Modify factors, the risk factors, and the next is promoting factors. Risk factors are biological and the socials. Biological risk factors are brain damage at birth. That means developmental will be delayed because of the brain damage at the time of the birth. Severe illness in newborn, genetic disorders, poor nutrition, chronic illness. So these all are the biological risk factor. Next is social factors, lack of stimulation, poor parenting, neglect, abusing, poverty or insecurity. This all comes under the risk factors. Now what are the promoting factors, like breastfeeding, family support and peer interactions? So this flow chart, is it visible for everyone? General development, social development and the language. At the age of 5 to 6 months, general development is reach for the objects. 5 to 6 months baby can reach for the object, hold the head in sitting positions, may sit alone using hands for balance. And at the age of 5 to 6 months, social domain is can look at the object and back to parent. Enjoy peekaboo like activities. Language uses voice and movements to indicate needs, make different sounds for different activities. So this all domains comes under the age of 5 to 7 month. Next is 7 to 8 month of age. So general development is sit alone, hands are free to play, begins to move on tummy to get what they want to do, picks up the small objects. These are the basic general development. Now second is social development. Explore object and watch for your interactions. Look at parent when they want to talk or they want to gesture. Now language is reach for the object they want, different noise and sounds with mouth, cough for attentions, blows, raspberries. Okay. Next one is 9 to 10 months. General movements comes at the age of 9 to 10 months is crawls to find object out of sight, up on feet, exploring environment, develop pincer grip and finger isolations, Now social development is notice what parent is looking at, let parent know likes and dislikes, uses whole hand to point out. Now language is use voice to express emotions, uses gesture to get parent to do something. For example, take an object. Now 11 to 12 month points general development is point with index finger, pulling to stand on furniture they want to stand up, climbing, taking turns with sharings, tries to use object functionally like spoon. Now social domain is wants to interact with you, get parent to notice what they are interested in, offer a toy but might keep. Next is language. 11 to 12 months baby uses gesture like pointing out they want to share something or they want to interest in do something. Follow simple directions, give to me, comes here, they follow this directions. Now 13 to 14 months of development, general development, use functional actions. Example, share string with you, feed parent, taking first step, getting on and off floor independently, hands free in standing so can indicate need. Social development is share enjoyment and interest, seek out new activities due to emerge motor skills, make it clear what they want to do or do not want to do. Now language, limiting gestures, example blowing and kiss, points at on body parts, uses early forms of words, communicate preference when offered choice, will show you when you want something as by pointing. At the age of 15 to 16 month, general development, pretend play with everyday object, wants to be involved in daily activities, walking in most environment, social interaction, check in with the parents regularly by look or touch, tries to work out with your meaning, can stick with task even if upset. Now language, use gesture to share ideas, has 5 words. 15 to 16 months baby can use the 5 to 6 words, respond when talked to and share ideas. 17 to 18 months of baby climb stairs with hand held, copies walking in unfamiliar surrounding, trots to keep up, uses objects to build or create, follow directions in play. Socially, tries to help parent know what they mean by gesturing, looking, sharing, etc. Play intentionally with the parent, can take attention away from their needs to engage with parent. Language, use words and gesture together, uses at least 10 words with meaning, word begin to replace gesture as form of communication, gesture to indicate needs of things out of reach. So these all are the developments, general developments. The diagram shows you developmental. Now gross motor milestones. Gross motor milestones are in newborn milestone, supine position, flex posture, in prone position, turns the head from side to side. This all comes in newborn. Ventral suspension, head, sex. At the age of 6 months, in prone position, weight bone on hand and extends arm, roll over from supine to prone or prone to supine. These are the gross motor functions. Sit in tripod positions, you can see in the image also. Gross motor milestone at the age of 8 months, sit without support. Gross motor at the age of 10 months, crawling, abdomen on couch, stands with support, you can see in the image also. Gross motor milestone, creeping, abdomen off the couch, pivoting movements. In sitting position, swishing round to pick up the object, they can pivot at the age of 11 month. Next is cruises, walk with hold furniture. At the age of 12 months, walk with one hand held. So these all are the basic developmental milestones and their domains. Thank you.